Hi, I'm Sally Hayes and I'm here today with my client Trish. We just finished doing eyeliner on her and now we're going to do her eyebrows. And one of the big concerns with people is that when they let their hair go natural, they think that they need to have gray eyebrows, and that's not the case. You want to do eyebrows to skin tone, not hair color. And the reason why is you don't want to have your eyebrows looking like you've got tattoos on your forehead. So she wasn't born with gray eyebrows, so I'm not going to give her gray eyebrows today. We are actually going to use a brown that has no red in it because it wouldn't look right with her skin. She's got enough pink under her own skin that if I just do a brown that's slightly, it's more neutral, it'll heal and it'll just go like her natural brow color. So when you first get your eyebrows done, they're going to look darker. And it takes about 3 or 4 days for them to start to get scaly. And once that happens, you don't want to pick them. So the hardest thing is just to leave them alone for people, because they tend to have a tendency to want to help them, to make them heal faster, but that's not a possibility. You just have to leave them alone and let the scabs fall off when they want. And if you notice here, Trish has a lot of brows in the front, but her tails right here from the arch back are very weak, and that's where she really needs to have some brows added. But you can't just add to a certain area. You need to blend the brow in throughout the whole entire brow. Otherwise, your eye would just go to what you tattooed. So I want to blend the color all the way through her eyebrows, even though she's got brows in the front. She didn't think she needed eyebrows till she met me.
That's true. You're right.
So think of this application as a base, just like you did with your eyeliner.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you come back, you'll know, like, if you want me to make them darker, thicker, or just touch them up the same.
Yeah, it looks nice. Very nice.